Ion nitriding technology.
In the world of metal casting, the tools bear the brunt of extreme conditions. The unyielding heat of the molten metal, in either hot chamber or cold chamber casting, puts a constant challenge to the molds, cores, sprue parts and other tools and requires high hardness, resistance to both abrasive and adhesive wear, and an extended lifespan. The repetition of heating and cooling cycles leads to thermal fatigue fractures and shortening of the life of the tools, while soldering of the molten metal can lead to lower precision of the produced parts. Ion nitriding significantly improves the wear resistance of die casting tools by substantially increasing surface hardness, thereby minimizing abrasion and adhesive wear during the intense die casting process. Moreover, nitriding plays a pivotal role in enhancing the thermal fatigue life of the tools, providing crucial resistance against the thermal stresses that occur during repeated heating and cooling cycles. This dual effect of improved wear resistance and enhanced thermal fatigue resistance contributes significantly to extending the overall lifespan and durability of die casting tools. We at Ionitech bring high-quality technology and focus on expertise and deep commitment to your success. We go beyond providing solutions, we build partnerships. Your success is our mission.
Ionitech. Technology, solutions, expertise.